Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Monisha V, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Information Science and Engineering. My topic for today is Predictive Analytics in Business. So let's move towards the topic. Predictive Analytics, a review of trends and techniques. Predictive analytics is a term mainly used in statistical and analytics techniques. This term is drawn from statistics, machine learning, database technique, and optimization techniques. It has a roots in classical statistics. It predicts the future by analyzing current and historical data. The future events and behavior of variables can be predicted using the models of predictive analytics. Azure is given by mostly predictive analytics models. These models are helpful in identifying the risk and opportunities for every individual customer, employee, or manager of an organization. With the increase in attention towards decision support solution, the predictive analytics models are dominated in this field. In this paper, we will present a review of process, techniques, and applications of predictive analytics. A higher score indicates the higher likelihood of occurrence of an event, and a lower score indicates lower likelihood of occurrence of the event. Introduction. Predictive analytics, a branch in the domain of advanced analytics, is used in predicting the future events. It analyzes the current and historical data in order to make predictions about the future by employing the techniques from statistics, data mining, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. It brings together the information technology business, modeling process, and management to make a prediction about the future business can appropriately use their profit by successfully applying the predictive analytics. Predictive analytics process. Predictive analytics process involves several steps through which a data analyst can predict the future based on the current and historical data. The process of predictive analytics is represented in the figure 1 given below. As you can see, this is the predictive analytics process. The requirement collection analyst will know from client what prediction the client wants. The data collection, it knows the analyst gathers the data required in analysis process. The next step is the data analysis and messaging. Gather data is converted into structured form for analysis. Statistics, machine learning. Techniques from statistics and machine learning are applied for analytics. Predictive modeling, a model to make the predictions is developed. Predictions and monitoring. Requirement collection, the first topic. It is to develop a predictive model. It must be clear that what is the aim of prediction. Through the prediction, the type of knowledge will be gained should be defined. For example, a pharmaceutical company wants to know the forecast on the sale of a medicine in a particular area to avoid expiry of those medicines. The data analyst sit with the clients to know the requirement of developing the predictive model and how the client will be benefited from this prediction will be identified that which data of client will be required in developing the model. Data collection, after knowing the requirement of the client organization, the analyst will collect the data sets, maybe from different sources, required in developing the predictive model. This may be a complete list of customers who use or check the products of the company. This data may be in structured form or in the unstructured form. The analyst verifies the data collected from the clients at their own site. Data analysis and massaging. Data analysts analyze the collected data and prepare it for analysis. and to be used in the model. The unstructured data is converted into a structured form in this step. Once the complete data is available in the structured form, its quality is then tested. There are possibilities that erroneous data is present in the main data set, or there are many missing values against the attributes. This all must be addressed. The effectiveness of the predictive model totally depends on the quality of data. The analysis phase is sometimes referred to as a data mining or massaging the data. That means converting the raw data into a it is being used for the analytics. Statistics machine learning. The predictive analytics process employs many statistical and machine learning techniques. Probability theory and regression analysis are most important techniques which are popularly used in analytics. Similarly, artificial neural networks, decision tree, vector machines are the tool of machine learning which are widely used in many predictive analytics tasks. All the task analytics model are based on statistical or machine learning techniques. Hence, the analysts apply the concept of the statistics and machine learning in order to develop predictive models. Machine learning techniques have an advantage over conventional statistical techniques, but techniques of statistics must be in developing any predictive model. Next topic, prediction and monitoring. After the successful test in prediction, the model is deployed at the client side for everyday prediction and decision making process. The results and report are generated by the model for managerial process. The model is consistently monitored to ensure whether it is giving the correct results and making the accurate predictions. Here we have seen that predictive analyst is not a single step to make predictions about the future. It is a step-by-step process which involves multiple process requirement collection to deployment and monitoring effective utilization of the system in order to make a system decision-making process. Some industries which are using the predictive analytics are fundraising, real estate, supply chain management, software testing, commercial audio or visual, food delivery, higher education. Predictive analytics opportunities. Though there is a long history of working with predictive analytics and it has been applied widely in many domains for decades, today is the era of predictive analytics due to the advancement of the technologies and dependency on data. Many organizations are trending towards prediction analytics in order to increase their bottom line. There are several reasons for this attraction. Growth in the volume and types of data is the reason to use predictive analytics to find insights from large size data. Faster, cheaper, and user friendly computers are available for processing. A variety of software is available, and more developments are going on in a software which are easy to use for users. The competitive environment of growing the organization with profit and the economic conditions of the organization push them to use the predictive analytics. With the development of easy to use and interactive software and its availability, predictive analyst is not being limited to the statisticians and mathematicians. It is being used in a swing by business analysts and managerial decision process. The business analytics have technology, the analytics as a service, automation, credit modeling, data mining, insights, and decision making. Applications of predictive analytics, the cybersecurity, online retail, healthcare, education, fraud detection, recommendation, and search engines. There are many applications of predictive analytics in a variety of domains, from clinical decision analysis to stock market prediction, where a disease can be predicted based on symptoms and return on a stock. Investment can be estimated respectively. We will list out here below some of the popular applications are banking and financial services, retail, health and insurance, oil, gas and utilities, government and public sector. First one, the banking and the financial services. In banking and financial industry, there is a large applications of predictive analytics. In both the industries, data and money is crucial part and finding insights from those data and the movement of money is a must. The predictive analytics helps in detecting the fraudulent customers and suspicious transactions. It minimizes the credit risk on which these industries lend money to its customer. It helps in cross-sell and upsell opportunities and in retaining and attracting the valuable customers. For the financial industries where money is invested in stocks, assist the predictive analytics forecast the return on investment helps in investment decision making process. The next topic is retail. The predictive analytics helps the retail industry in identify the customers and understanding what they need and what they want. By applying this technique, they predict the behavior of customers towards a product. The companies may fix prices and set special offers on the products after identifying the buying behavior of customer. They may campaign their products and approach to customers with the offers and price fixed for individual customers. They identify and predict the demand for a product in a specific area may improve their supply of products. Next topic is health and insurance. The pharmaceutical sector uses predictive analytics in drug designing and improving their supply chain of drugs. By using this technique, these companies may predict the expiry of drugs in a specific area due to lack of sale. The health insurance sector using this technique to find out the customers who are most at risk of a serious disease and approach them in selling their insurance plans which will be best for the investment. Oil, gas and utilities. The oil and gas industries are using the predictive analytics technique in forecasting the failure of equipment in order to minimize the risk. They predict the requirement of resource in future using these models. The need for maintenance can be predicted by engineering energy based companies to avoid any fatal accident in future. Government and public sector. The government agencies are using big data based predictive analytics technique to identify the possible criminal activities in a particular area. They analyze the social media data to identify the background of the suspicious person and forecast their future behavior. In enhancing the cyber security, the predictive analytic techniques are being used in full swing. Conclusion and future scope. There has been a long history of using predictive models in the task of predictions earlier. The statistical models were used as the predictive models, which were based on the sample data of a large sized data set. With the improvements in the field of computer science and advancement of computer techniques, newer techniques have been developed and better algorithms being introduced over the period of time. The machine learning models have a very well track record of being used as a predictive models. Artificial neural networks brought the revolutions in the field of predictive analytics. The input parameters, the output or future of any value can be predicted. Now, with the advancement in the field of machine learning and the development of this technique, there is a trend nowadays of using a deep learning models in a predictive analytics are being applied in a full swing in this task. Thank you.